Yeah, Vinny, listen, I would be worried as a prosecutor about that very fact that Stacey's bringing out, that just by the sheer nature of shooting 4 of your children seems insane. So as a prosecutor, though, unlike the other case, this case, there's motive. She gives a motive as to the reason why. You may not agree with the motive. You may think the motive is quote unquote crazy, but she's telling you a reason. Because of this, I did that. And to your point, it is hugely significant to me, and I'd be curious as to what the doctor thinks, that when you're looking at, again, goal-directed behavior, she knows how to pick up a phone, she knows how to hit the right numbers, and she knows how to contact the authorities. I don't care what she calls them or what she says afterwards. And to me, not only is that very telling, the fact that she didn't want to talk about it at first and then decide to talk about it shows deliberation, shows thought, and shows, most importantly, all those things together, she knew the difference between right and wrong.
Do we think we look at men and women differently here in this scenario? Because we've covered cases where men have slaughtered their children, and we don't even have the discussion about this. It's like, let's send them to death row.
No, there's no doubt, Vinny. I mean, to disabuse anybody about the fairness of the criminal justice system, that women are treated completely different, both in the guilt phase and in the sentencing phase. And I know that one judge or one situation doesn't bear out everything, but I know judges that, you know, would not sentence women to prison because they either had children or they were pregnant or things of that nature. So you are right. You're bringing out a really interesting point. I don't think it's going to make a difference in this particular case. I think that they're going to still find her guilty, but men don't get that even luxury of a look.